The human nervous system can be divided into two important parts, that is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In this video we will discuss about the central nervous system. The central nervous system comprises of brain and the spinal cord. The brain is again divided into three parts, that is the forebrain, midbrain and the hindbrain. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain which comes under the forebrain portion. It performs the functions such as hearing, speech, touch, vision, learning, etc. The thalamus that is located at the top of the brain stem receives all the senses except smell and forwards it to the other areas of brain. Hypothalamus regulates sleep, hunger and body temperature. The hippocampus works in learning and memorizing, whereas the amygdala is responsible for fear and memory. The midbrain and the hindbrain are combinedly known as brain stem. The midbrain transmits necessary information for vision and hearing. It controls the motor movement, pain, sleep and wake cycle. The hindbrain comprises of the pons, which controls the breathing rhythms. The medulla is involved in respiration, circulation, digestion, swallowing, whereas the cerebellum helps in maintaining the balance and the postures of the body by sending signals to the cerebrum in the forebrain region. The spinal cord sends motor commands from the brain to the body, and it also sends the sensory information from the body to the brain. There is also a mechanical buffer known as cerebrospinal fluid, which provides nutrients and prevents the brain from any kind of injury. So this was all about the nervous system in human beings.